Hello everyone, in this video you'll see how you can prepare and export the baseline types from Excel to Primavera. This will be the video number 22 in this group of videos, and we will use SQLite database in this video. You can also use Oracle database or SQL server when you select any of them. From the main menu, select dictionary, and from the import menu select the baseline types in order to import the current baseline types in this database. As you see, we have these 6 baseline types in this database. Let us go to Primavera to check the same results. From admin, select admin categories, and as you see, when we open the baseline types, we have the same 6 baseline types in Primavera. Let us modify these baseline types in order to learn how you can use the SDK Magic Tool. Let us first copy this table, and we will remove or delete all of these baseline types. To know how you can delete them, all you need is to change this N to Y and export these new updates to Primavera. As you see, we have now no baseline types in this database, but we have the table format that we should fill in to export this baseline type again to Primavera. Let us go to Primavera to check these updates. From File, Refresh Data, and go to Admin Categories. As you see, we have no baseline types now in Primavera. Let us import these baseline types, and then we will export them again to Primavera in the same table format, but now we should remove these numbers because these numbers will be set by the SDK Magic Tool, and these baseline types will be considered new baseline types in the database. If we would like to change the display order in Primavera, we can change these numbers. We will start with 1, and then we will change these numbers. Now these baseline types will be displayed in Primavera in this order. When you change these numbers, you can change the display order in Primavera. Let us export these baseline types again to Primavera in order to see how it's flexible when you use SDK Magic Tool. Now we have these baseline types again in Primavera. Okay, let us import them. Now we have these numbers. As these numbers have been set by the SDK Magic Tool. When we go to again to Primavera to check these updates, refresh data and open admin categories, as you see, we have the same 6 baseline types again in Primavera. This was how you can use the SDK Magic Tool to prepare and export the baseline types to Primavera. You can later add any baseline types to Primavera. For example, if I would like to add SDK Magic Tool to the baseline types, and this will be number 7. Export these updates to Primavera, import them again. We have now the SDK Magic Tool as baseline types in Primavera. Let us go to Primavera, update from refresh data, open admin categories, and you have now the SDK Magic Tool as baseline type in Primavera. It's very flexible and accurate and very fast when you use the SDK Magic Tool to prepare and export all Primavera items from Excel to Primavera. Thank you and goodbye.